saint, can't get out of bed. I'd rather go back to the dreams I'm living in my head. Yeah. Tuesday evening, pack my bags, I'm heading out the door. I left a box of memories lying on the floor. Yeah. Right on, right till early morning sun. Right on, like the dawning of the day. It's too late to let all your feelings show. Go on till the night is swept away. Running from the city lights, running from this empty life. I'm running out of time tonight. I'm screaming out for help. Cause it's too late now.
I know how it feels to need. Oh, when we leave here, we'll see. Open to everything, happy and sad. Seeing the good when it's all going bad. Seeing the sun when I can't really see. Hoping the sun will at least look at me. Focus on everything better today. All that I needed I never could say. Hold on to people that's slipping away. 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 Hold on to people that's slipping away.